Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Sahadewa Street, Lebak Bene Street and Benesari Street. And also I have viewers, they request want to explore how the condition at the moment at Tattoo Benesari. Okay guys, let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kuta area on Sahadewa Street, Lebak Bene Street and Benesari Street. And now we are in Sahadewa Street. This street is very famous and also we call this street by Kelingking Street. And before the pandemic corona, in this area is lots of people walk around to do some shopping because in this area there is lot of shop and art market. But today you see left side and right side there is the shop still closed, still very quiet. One day if this area getting better, getting busier, I want to explore by walking. Oh, there is some shop open right side because this is nearby Melasti Street. Okay guys, from Kelingking Street we turn left a little bit because we will explore Lebak Bene Street. Okay, now we are in Melasti Street. But we turn right again because we will explore Lebak Bene Street. So now we reach Lebak Bene Street. I'm going to say sorry because in this street, very small street, and the road is so bumpy. So the camera is not stable. Because on my mobile phone, I don't have any stabilizer to make video. But I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Lebak Bene Street. Yeah, there is some people work around on the sidewalk. You see on this area, it's very quiet, isn't it? Actually, on this video, I also have requests from viewers. They want to know how the situation at the moment in Benesari Street. And also, he want to know how it look like the situation at the moment in Benesari Tattoo. So we explore together how look like the situation at the moment in Benesari Street. You see, it's look very quiet, isn't it? And our government planning will be open the airport in 2 days. So we hope together Bali will be getting better, getting busier and starting the business. You see left side, right side, the shop still closed. It's very sad. Okay, now we will reach Benesari Tattoo. You see left side? Oh no, they close. Oh, it's very bad. You see? Benesari Tattoo is closed. Okay mate, so this is the situation at the moment in Benesari Tattoo. Yeah, they close. Okay guys, now we continue driving to explore Benesari Street. Benesari Street is like a shortcut from Melasti Street until to the Poppies Line too. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you very much for your support on my channel because you're already watching and subscribe my channel. And for you, if you just find this channel, please, if you don't mind, subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, if I turn left, that is the way to go to Legian Street. And if I turn right, that is the way to go to Kuta Beach. But now we continue driving to explore Benesari Street. Yeah, now we are in Benesari Street. You see, the situation at the moment in Benesari Street is look very quiet, isn't it? It's very sad. And yesterday I met Australian girl and I talked with her a lot of things. And I tell her if Indonesia will be reopen the flight on 14 on this month. I mean like in 2 days. And as we know together, our government might quarantine in 5 days. So it's meant our government might lower level because the first opinion they will make 8 days quarantine, but now they make 5 days quarantine. I'm already happy on that. But I met a girl from Australia yesterday, as I told you, and she said if they fly to Bali and when they are back to Australia, they have to do another quarantine in Australia, like 15 days. Oh, that's very bad news for me actually. So it's like bad sign for me actually, because I'm driver in Bali. So I hope our government and our government will be understand about the people because they need holiday. You see, this area is still very quiet, isn't it? Just no tourists. Left side there's the hotel, and right side also small hotel. But this looks so quiet. There's no people there. It's very sad video actually. Another 200 meter is Poppy's Line 2 Street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area, on small street in Kuta. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you guys for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.